Look at this graph of a typical market cycle. You'll notice the growth phase is slow and methodical. The market takes the stairs up, inching higher over months and years. But bear markets? They take the window. The declines are fast, emotional, and violent. In the middle of those wild swings sits Wall Street. It operates on noise and disorder, often ignoring solid economic data to prioritize momentum and hype. It acts like a child addicted to sugar, chasing whatever narrative feels good right now. Everyday retail investors watch this happen and tend to follow along. They stop analyzing actual value and start reacting to the daily momentum. When you allow emotional reactions to drive your trades, you consistently buy at peak prices and exit during the deepest discounts. Over time, this repetitive cycle of buying high and selling low erodes the base of your capital. This creates one of the most common traps in finance, the belief that you can accurately call exact market tops and bottoms. Even full-time institutional managers with endless resources rarely hit those turning points with any consistency. It is a fool's game. When the momentum eventually breaks and prices snap violently back to underlying economic facts, the investors who tried to time the peak inevitably panic. If precise prediction is impossible, you're left operating in the dark. To protect your capital, you have to abandon the guessing game entirely and build a strategy based on preparation. The first step is replacing the desire to predict the future with the deliberate discipline of preparing for it. You stop asking where the market is going and start positioning yourself for wherever it lands. Making money requires taking risks and riding volatile upward spikes. Keeping it, represented by this fortified flat baseline, requires a separate defensive skill set. Notice how the noise disappears here. You shift focus away from popularity and establish a firm, fair value line. By putting in the work to self-educate, you remove the need for blind trust in financial institutions. Your own analytical framework becomes your ultimate shield against emotional financial ruin. The first mechanical step of this new system is identification. You locate structurally sound companies, and you ruthlessly separate their actual operating worth from the inflated hype surrounding their stock. This scale illustrates building a margin of safety. You identify a target, but refuse to overpay, calculating your entry point 20, 30, or 40% below today's valuation. Once set, you file it on a strict watch list, and then you wait. While you wait, you track macro money flows. You watch the broader market shifts as capital moves out of high-growth, risky equities. You align your own capital with that shift. You move portions of your portfolio into cash or government bonds to construct a heavy defensive position. By strictly enforcing valuation rules and holding cash, you convert widespread market fear into individual optionality. You move from a position of vulnerability to one where you have the liquidity to act when prices finally meet your criteria. This entire methodology distills down into a rigid three-part execution engine: position, patience, and plan. This pie chart represents your position, actively adjusting the balance between cash and risk. Next, patience. You lock your allocation in and hold your defensive ground. Finally, the plan. With predetermined buy triggers, there is zero cognitive friction when a target price is reached. Flawless market execution requires zero emotion. It is merely the automatic activation of the architecture you already dealt. Generating long-term wealth is never a test of superior intellect. It is a grueling test of unrelenting mechanical discipline. There is a quiet satisfaction in looking at a well-organized workbench, knowing you have the right tool for the job. That exact same pride applies to constructing a bespoke, self-reliant economic system. You stop asking talking heads what to buy today and commit to managing your capital firsthand. Mastering your own financial mechanics is the direct prerequisite to achieving total ownership over your life.